You won't believe this fireplace crackle. If you love warm nights and cozy corners, you need to hear this. Fireplace crackles aren't just relaxing, they're total mood boosters. Picture this. Outside it's raining, but inside the fire's alive. Each snap and pop from the fireplace is like a mini fireworks show for your ears. That sound? It's wood releasing energy breaking apart and creating that iconic ASMR crackle we can't get enough of. So next time you need to unwind, just press play on some fireplace crackling. You'll feel the tension melt away one cozy crackle at a time. Stay warm, stay chill, and let that fireplace work its magic. That